So,
Yeah, how's 2024 been for you?
2024,
Yeah.
probably the craziest year of my life.
Yeah.
So much things happened.
In 3 words, 2024. Fast. Kongs. And it was meaningful year.
That's 2024.
Chaotic, unrealistic,
Unrealistic.
surprising.
What?
Fun and exciting.
That's 2.
One more left. Mesmerizing.
Mesmerizing. My God, the best reader award for Macy Kim. Macy, come up. Oh,
Thank you for this award, Kathy. And I would continue to read harder.
please do. This person read all the books in the book list, just like Macy. Hazel Han, come up here. So hold it and smile at your adoring audience. Do you have a favorite book from the list?
The one and only I.
The one and only Ivan, the gorilla one?
Yes.
That's cute. Thank you, Hazel. Aiden Kim. Not that one. Not that one. This one, yes. Oh. Favorite book of the year?
Yeah. Witches.
Witches. Oh, if you like Roald Dahl's The Witches. It's very heavy. Thank you. Oh. This person also read everything. Ian Kim. Ian, favorite book?
The one and the only I.
The one and only Ivan again.
Yeah.
Why did you like it?
Because it's short and fun.
Short and fun. Thank you, Ian. You may have it. Matthew, what are you doing for winter?
Read books and do the Coursera online course, and also make my Instagram account
For the fish?
I'll read more books and review my psychology and algebra too. Oh, and I should practice my part.
Oh, okay.
Plan for winter, I will do math homework
Yeah.
and I will do the Collegiate Academy. Homework. And then read a book. I will read a book,
Yeah.
then
Which book are you currently reading, Dave?
the witches.
The Witches?
Yes.
What else?
Then doing math homework.
Well, thank you for a lovely 2024. It's a group, big group hug. It's a group. Happy holidays, happy holidays, and happy holidays. Oh wait, happy holidays, happy holidays, happy holidays, happy holidays, happy holidays. That was a very strong hug, Matthew.
Do not work.
No.
I hope you do not work.
Well, I don't know. Did we hug already? Merry Christmas.